this will be much more fun because you guys will be figuring it out for the. Yeah, right. Well, that's why this will be much more fun because I mean, I've only done it four times maybe, 4 or 5 times maybe.
Uh-oh.
Who'd we lose? Just join. Just join. You should be able to just join. Alright, so get moving, it started.
Duck. Here we go.
Oh, I wish I had Clyde. Okay. Heading for... Okay. We got control of the right.
Oh shit. No, I'm fine. I got it.
Everybody okay? You don't have to stand on it the whole time, as well, by the way. As long as it's not red, we have control of it. So. They'll spawn behind us too, Tom. Yep. Yep, call them out if you see them. They'll take control of it, and then basically the timer starts over. Well, it doesn't start over, but you can see out in the middle, see the spire kind of building. It'll despawn basically. It'll start despawning.
Down.
Oh shit, I'm down on the right too. We may lose the right one.
Guardian down.
Ooh. How you guys doing on the left over there? No problem. No problem. It's alright.
We got this. Watch out.
Praetorian coming from the center to the right. Okay, we're okay.
He's open. There we go.
Okay, that one's cleared.
Some coming up on the
Closer,
side.
building.
Left side's still good.
From where?
Yep.
Tom, one behind us.
Good job. Got some.
One head in the middle. Okay, good job, you got it.
Oh, watch out behind us.
Probably went back One's behind us. Ghost.
Good job.
So many orbs.
The Oh yeah, you can't take it too seriously, otherwise, yeah, just
Well, this will be a good time
It's
because you
too
guys have
intense.
never really done it. It's kind of figured out as you go kind of thing.
oh yeah, watch out, we got it.
Guardian down.
Oop, who's down? I heard
I
it.
self-revive, don't worry.
Got to get close here. See the spire in the middle ghost building? When that basically finishes building, it'll unlock the door.
Alright,
So it's not a timer per se, and if they take control of it, it basically starts a despawn.
I'm gonna grab some of this ammo down here real quick.
So it doesn't reset, but it's a from the time we have see it out in the middle, kind of that big tower.
That
looking
big,
thing?
like, black tower thing.
Oh, all right. Oh yeah. Oh, still alive? What the hell? How was
Oh,
they-
behind us, Mark, watch out.
Guardian down.
Oh my god, I got too close to that.
Oh, X control the sync plate.
I got you.
Guardian down.
Which plate do they have? Do we have all the plates? We have control of all the plates?
No, the center's getting attacked bad.
Guardian down.
Shit, yeah, me too, I just...
I'm coming, just hold it off for a
Guardian
second.
down.
You guys can revive here.
Thank you.
You can revive here.
Watch out, we got a Praetorian.
We got the middle back yet? Because the spire's going down.
Yeah, the middle's back.
Okay. Alright. Well, now we'll need to get this building back up here. It went down quite a bit, yeah. We lost it for... It definitely goes... That's alright, it happens. No worries.
It's okay.
It didn't restart all the way, just most of the way.
Guardian down.
Middle okay?
Yeah, middle's fine.
Okay.
Guardian down.
Middle, can middle help left?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're losing the...
Okay. I'll stay up at the center then.
Oh shit, Tom, just get me quick.
Guardian down.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
He's down.
Everybody okay?
Yeah, center's okay.
Coming. Distracted.
Guardian down.
Crap. Oh. Ah, that sucks.
Oh, look out behind you.
Yeah, we lost a couple plates, I think. I think we're okay. We just gotta.
Alright, it's down. Oh, behind us, Mark. Yep, we got a Praetorian here. He's down. Whew. Grab some of this ammo down here real quick. Alright. He's down.
We should have one. We got one behind us, Tom. Nice job.
Guardian down. Guardian down.
Alright.
So why don't we send one person from the middle to the left? From left from the entrance left. So whoever, because we can probably hold.
I can head down there on the left side then.
We can probably hold the. Yeah, that's.
Oh.
Yeah, yes, yeah. There you go. Because we can probably hold. No, go to the other side, Mark. With yeah, with Jared and those guys. Because Butters can probably hold that one if he just keeps an eye. If you just keep an eye on the one coming up the hill from your right, there, Butters. And I'll help you with the one that comes up on the left here. Oh, that's pretty shitty. Yeah, let's get that one behind us, huh? Oh crap, I'm at the bottom. Brian, you gotta help Ghost with the one in the back there. I respawned at the bottom.
Alright, I'm heading that way.
Guardian down.
Oh.
Yeah, that was my fault. That was just my fault.
I got you. Alright, I'm heading back to the middle.
Yeah,
no problem.
Coming towards the middle.
Oh, we got a Praetorian in the middle.
I see it. I'm coming, just keep them occupied.
Yeah, I've got control of the spire back up here.
I just sneaked up there. I shouldn't have died.
I got a Praetorian in the middle.
Okay, should be okay.
Guardian down.
Hey, we're getting close. It's getting close. You can see it there. Getting close.
Yes. Oh, is it coming to the center? Or?
Yep, I see it. There it is. We got it.
Nice job.
Just a little strategy adjustment midway through, and that made all the difference in the world.
That's how we do.
Come on up the
Nope,
middle.
that was it. That's
Doors
the
open.
raid.
Yep. Congrats. You completed all the laps.
Yeah, you beat the entire game.
Yep. So we're gonna come in and down the hill and to the right here. Okay. You're gonna come up the hill, Mark, into the big open gate thing. Did you, Did you jump off a cliff? There's a chest down there. Alright, go ahead. Follow the path. Follow the path to the down the hill. Alright, down the hill to the right. Don't jump off the cliff. Yep. If you think this is a long ways down, you ain't seen shit yet. Alright, go ahead, keep going. Left. There we go. If I get lost, then it's okay. It's your first raid loot chest. Energies and shards. Alright. Okay, do we want to try the Templar? At least the beginning?